Stop scrolling. If you are watching this now, it is because something inside of the truth knows the truth. The truth is what is important here, and something inside of you is telling you that the truth is what you need to be paying attention to. So you are watching this because of the truth. You cannot afford another year where nothing changes with your life. The fact is, another year is going to go, and you will be in the same place if things do not change with your situation. You need to think about what you want to do with your life and make some changes to your routine. Things will not get better on their own. You have to make an effort to change your life. Another year of nothing changing is not what you want, so you need to take action and make a plan to improve your life and make things better. You have things that you want to achieve. These goals are important to you. Your goals are the things that you are trying to accomplish. You have dreams that you really want to come true. Your dreams are important to you. Dreams are what you think about when you are asleep. Your dreams are also what you want to happen in your life. You want your dreams to become real. Your dreams are a part of who you are and what you want to achieve. You think about your dreams a lot. You want to make them happen. You are tired of starting every January full of motivation and energy, but then something always seems to go wrong and you end the year feeling really disappointed with the things that the new year of January was supposed to bring to your life. And this happens to you every year. When a new January starts, you have big plans, but by the end of the year, you are disappointed with what the year of January has done for you. So, I want to ask you something that's really important to me. How long are you going to keep telling yourself things that are not true? You need to be honest with yourself about this. The truth is that you know what is really going on with this situation, and you are just trying to avoid it. You have to stop lying to yourself and face the facts. This is about you and the way you are handling this situation. You are the one who's in control of what you do and what you believe. So how are you going to keep lying to yourself about this? How more years will you keep saying the same things over and over? You always say the excuses for computer issues. The computer issues are always the same. You need to fix the computer issues. When will you actually fix the computer problems? Stop repeating the same excuses about the computer. The thing is, this is what is really going on. 2026 does not care about your past. The year 2026 is a beginning, and 2026 is not interested in what happened before. 2026 is about what you do in 2026. It does not care about the people who doubted you. The thing that matters is that it does not care who doubted you, and that's what is important about the situation and it. The universe does not care who left you, or who hurt you, or who thought you were not good enough. The universe does not care about any of these things because the universe is only looking at you and what you are doing with your life. The universe does not care about the people who underestimated you. 2026 is a blank page, a clean slate, a new chapter. You have the pen in your hand. The pen is something that you are holding. But understand this, time does not owe you anything. You have to make the most of the time you have. Time is something that keeps moving. It does not care about what you do. You have to use time because time does not owe you anything. Tomorrow is not waiting for you to feel ready. Tomorrow will come whether you feel ready for tomorrow or not. You have to be prepared for what tomorrow will bring to your life. When the chance to do something comes along, it does not wait for you to feel brave. The opportunity is still there even if you are feeling scared. Opportunity does not stop just because you are scared. If you want a year, you should tell me what year you are looking for in the calendar. The year is what I need to know so I can help you with what you want to do with that year. You have to change who you are as a person.
This means you need to become a different person. The person you are now is not the person you should be. You must become a person. No more waiting for permission. No more waiting for validation. No more waiting for the perfect moment. You do not need people to clap for you to start doing something. Just go ahead. Begin with the thing you want to do, which is what the idea of starting something new is all about, and that is beginning the thing you want to do. To do something, you really need courage. Courage is what helps you take the step. Without courage, you will not be able to do anything. You need courage to make things happen. You were not made to have a life. Life should be more than okay for you. You are supposed to do something with your life. Your life is supposed to be amazing. You were not made to exist. You were made to live a life that is full of excitement and joy. You are supposed to make the most of your life and have a life that's really worth living. You were not made to be average. You were made to be great. You were made to do something that will be remembered. The thing you were made to do is supposed to make an impact. This impact is what you are supposed to have on people. You were created to make this impact. To walk into rooms and change the energy. This is the year you will get past every problem that you have. You will rise above every setback that comes your way. The year is going to be about overcoming every setback and doing things. Every failure. Every time a doubt comes to you, says you are not good enough, it can be really tough to deal with. These doubts tell you that you are not enough, and that is a hard thing to hear. The thing is, every doubt that ever told you that you weren't is wrong about you. This is the year you speak up when you used to stay silent. Now is the time to say what the year is about, and that is speaking up. The year is the time for speaking up. You should do that instead of staying silent like you did before. Speaking up is what the year is about, so you should really speak up this year. This is the year you build what you were once afraid to imagine. You know, the things that you were once afraid to think about, this is the year you build them. The year you make the things that you were once afraid to imagine, like your dreams and your ideas, a reality. This is the year you build what you were once afraid to imagine, and that is a really exciting thing. The only thing that is standing between the person you are and something else is really not that clear. The thing that is standing between who you are is a big mystery. Who you are is an important thing, and the only thing standing between that is not good. The only thing standing between who you are is what we need to think about. And who the person you are talking to could become is an interesting thing to think about. The person you are talking to could become someone different from who they are now. They could become someone. The person you are talking to and who the person you are talking to could become is something that's worth thinking about. Is a decision. A decision to stop playing small. A decision to stop procrastinating. A decision to finally take responsibility for your life. You are always there for everyone. You are always there to support the people around you, like your family and your friends. You help the people who need it. You support everyone when they are going through tough times. When was the last time you really took care of yourself and did what you wanted to do? You know, actually made time for the things that make you happy. When was the last time you truly showed up for yourself and did something just because you wanted to? This year is not about perfection. This is about ownership. The thing is, ownership is very important. People really care about ownership because it means they have control over something that belongs to them, like their stuff. Ownership is a deal. Ownership of your time. Ownership of your habits. Ownership of your future. Change does not come looking for you. You have to go out and find the change you want. Sometimes you have to make the change happen. Change is something that you have to work for. You cannot just wait for change to come to you. You need to go and get the thing that you want. The thing that you want is something that you have to go and get. Yes, it is going to take a lot of work to get things done with the work. The work will be hard. The work is necessary. Things always grow. Growth is something that always happens. We see growth everywhere. The year that everything in your life changes is not the year you simply get lucky. This is the year that the things you do and the choices you make are going to be very important for the year everything changes. The year everything changes is a deal because it is the year that you will look back on and think about. The year everything changes. This is the year when you get fed up. The year you get fed up. Fed up with excuses. Fed up with wasted potential.
I am really tired of knowing that I am capable of doing things, but I always settle for doing less. It is frustrating to know that I can do better. I do not. I feel like I should be doing more with my life. For some reason, I am not. I am settling for things that are not good enough, and that is a bad feeling. I wish I could do more like I know I am capable of doing. I want to make one thing very clear. The year 2026 is going to be a challenge for you. 2026 will push you to your limits. You will have to be strong to get through 2026. This thing is going to be tough for the user. The challenge is going to test the user. The user will have to deal with the challenge. This thing is going to push you. The challenge is that it will push you. It will see if you are really serious this time about the things you want to do with your life and the things you want to achieve with your goals, with the project that you have been working on for a long time, the project that is very important to you. But listen to me carefully. If you are breathing, then there is another round, so get up. Believing in yourself is the most powerful force on earth. Say it out loud. 2026 is my year of discipline, my year of growth, my year of elevation. I am done living a life. Living small is not for me anymore. I want to experience things and have a big life. Living small is over for me. I am ready for something. I am ready to live a life and have big experiences. I am really tired of knowing that I am capable of doing things, but I always settle for doing less. It is frustrating to know that I can do better. I do not. I feel like I should be doing more with my life. For some reason, I am not. I am settling for things that are not good enough, and that is a bad feeling. I wish I could do more like I know I am capable of doing. I want to make one thing very clear. The year 2026 is going to be a challenge for you. 2026 will push you to your limits. You will have to be strong to get through 2026. This thing is going to be tough for the user. The challenge is going to test the user. The user will have to deal with the challenge. This thing is going to push you. The challenge is that it will push you. It will see if you are really serious this time about the things you want to do with your life and the things you want to achieve with your goals, with the project that you have been working on for a long time, the project that is very important to you. But listen to me carefully. If you are breathing, then there is another round, so get up. Believing in yourself is the most powerful force on earth. Say it out loud. 2026 is my year of discipline, my year of growth, my year of elevation. I am done living a life. Living small is not for me anymore. I want to experience things and have a big life. Living small is over for me. I am ready for something. I am ready to live a life and have big experiences. Living small is done.
I am done making excuses for myself. The excuses have to stop. I have had enough of making excuses for the things that I do. It is time for me to be honest with myself and stop making excuses. I am done being afraid of my potential. I do not want to be scared of what I can do with my potential. My potential is something that I should be happy about, not something that I should be afraid of. I want to use my potential to do things. My potential is a part of me. I'm ready to face it. Stop waiting for midnight. You can start becoming that person today. It is time to take the step and make a change in your life. Becoming that person is a process that takes time and effort, so you should start now. Take it one step at a time. Start doing the things that person does and see how it feels. You will be surprised at how much you can learn and grow by becoming that person. The world is going to meet a version of you soon. This version of you is someone the world has not seen before. The version of you that is about to be introduced to the world is going to be very different. The version of you is going to surprise people. That version is unstoppable. You have doors that you can walk through. These doors are there for you to walk through. The doors are waiting for you to walk through them. You can walk through the doors. Opportunities to claim, lives to impact. The future is for people who are not afraid to take action. It does not belong to the people who hesitate. The future belongs to people who are willing to try new things and see what happens. People who are hesitant will be left behind. The future is for people who are brave and willing to take risks, not for the people who hesitate. This thing is for people who are brave. The people who are brave get to have it. The brave people are the ones who get this thing. The focused, the disciplined. Do not watch people living the life that you want for yourself. You should be the one living the life you want. Stop looking at what other people are doing and start doing what you want to do with your life. The life you want is the life you should be living, not just watching other people live it. Stop being a spectator. Start being a participant. You should read a lot of things. This will help you learn things. Then you can train yourself to do things. The important thing is to build good habits. These habits will move the learning process and your life forward. Building habits is very important for the learning process and for your life to move forward with the things you have learned from reading and training. You should go to the place you need to be, even when you really do not feel like going. Showing up is very important, so you should do it every time, even when you don't want to. This is something that people should do because sometimes you have to do things when you don't feel like doing them, like going to work or going to school. Showing up to things is a part of being responsible, so you should always try to show up, even when you really don't feel like it. The thing about results is that they don't care how you feel. Results are just that, results. They don't take into account your feelings when they happen. Results are what they are. That's it. The results will be the same no matter what. Your life is still being written. You have a lot of things that are going to happen to you. Your story is still being. That's what makes it so interesting. The things that you do and the choices that you make are all part of your story. Your story is still being. It is not finished yet. And the best part? You are holding the pen. So start writing, start building, start becoming. This is not just another year. This is your year, your time, your moment. To get started, you just need to lock in. The thing you have to do is lock in. Lock in is what you need to do. Let's go.